Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am talking about potential author. So I've been talking about potential author for a few weeks now. But here it is, it's getting closer and closer to development. 70% chance and 48 hours to form. For 40% chance, which is really high from the other one. So the NOM model, the best model that we have, we can see that it's only a one way, and it isn't all around, and it isn't closer to the eye, and yeah. So let's just go to the GFS. So the GFS thinks it would be stronger and all that than the icon, because the GFS says 986 millibars, which is a category 2. Yes, a category 2 storm already? You are correct. A category 2 storm already is possible. And the track that they think it is kind of like that. And then they will get. But so there's colder water here, and then it's going on up. But let's go check the icon now. Icon. Thank you. Icon. I don't know why it's so far down. But the icon doesn't really think you could say it'd form. It's just thinking it would be weak sauce. So this is the track, and then it goes into, well, it still goes into colder waters, but we see that it goes into this little patch of warm water, which might help it form back again. So we might have, you could say, two authors. So this is the windshield. Let's see if the windshield is perfect for this storm. Just some hard times. That's why they say that it'll die down. And then they say that it won't form back up at all. Icon, la di da di do. Thought I had another one, but we could do that right now. Oh, that's the icon. Oof. I want the dang GFS. Okay, well, I can change it to not that silly one. Sorry, guys. Humidity. Humidity is pretty well with the storm. It does. Yeah, humidity's amazing actually with the storm. And it actually changed for me because, okay, well, I'm on the southeast. It's supposed to be the larger one, but whatever. But this is the infrared. We can see a definitely spin, and then right up here is right where we can see that possible eye and that developed low pressure, and with a possibly subtropical hurricane, which I've never heard of, but it might happen today. Oh, nope, you guys aren't gonna see that. So we can definitely see the track of this storm. the severe rain, the most severe rain would be right below Key Largo and right next to Nassau, and then also at Peel. So this is the potential track of the storm, which is kind of funny, and then it just goes up. So that's the potential track. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and any comments that you guys have, any questions, comment them down below. I'll answer them. I'll be answering comments for the next few hours or later whenever I see them. So yeah, or any comments. So comment, and I'll comment back to your comment. Alright, bye. Comment.